Welcome to the Voiceware by PhoneSuite Polycom phone training video. In this video, we're going to continue our look at the Polycom 650 phone and look at some of the more advanced features. The first feature that we're going to look at is the voicemail retrieval feature. If you notice here, we have a red blinking light at the top of the phone and also an envelope icon next to our name. This indicates that we have a voicemail waiting. We can retrieve the voicemail by either dialing directly into the voicemail system, usually extension 8000, or we can press the message key and then select message center to see that we have one new voicemail in our inbox. If we wish to listen to this message, we will simply press the connect key.
You have one new message. Press 1 for new messages. Press 2 to change folders. Press 3 for advanced options. Press 0 for mailbox options.
We can at that point then press 1 to listen to the new message, and other voice prompts will tell us how to delete the message or send it off to another user if that's what we choose to do. The next feature we're going to look at is call conferencing. To begin a call conference, simply call the first person you'd like to conference with. Once they answer, place them on hold. Then press the conference soft key. Next, enter the extension of the second person you'd like to have in the conference. Once they answer their phone, you can then press the conference soft key again. This will place both people in a conference with you, and everyone can hear each other. Once finished, you can either end call, which will get you from the conference and leave the other two participants able to speak to one another. You can also press the split key, which will exit everyone out of the conference and place both of the previous callers on hold. You can then reconnect with them individually. In this case, we're simply going to hang up. The next feature we're going to look at is Do Not Disturb. To place your phone in Do Not Disturb mode, press the Do Not Disturb button. You'll notice that at the top of the screen, it now shows that we're in Do Not Disturb. While your phone is in this mode, any calls into your phone will not ring and will go directly to voicemail. To exit out of this mode, simply press the Do Not Disturb key again. The next feature we're going to look at is call forwarding. To begin call forwarding, press the forward soft key, then select which type of forward you'd like to enable. The options you have are an always on, a forward only on no answer, and a forward only when the phone is busy. For our purposes, we're going to select always. And in this case, we had previously set up a forward to extension 401. We can, of course, leave that or put in a new extension. Then we can select enable. Please note that you can forward calls to an outside number. To do so, make sure you enter a 9 before the number that you want to transfer to. Once you have call forwarding enabled, notice that the phone's display will show you that forwarding is in fact enabled. To disable call forwarding, simply press forward again, select the type of forwarding, and select disable. Notice again, our display is now clear. The last feature we're going to look at is call parking. Say that you received a call. You answer and speak to this individual, but would like to take this call at another phone. What you can do is you can transfer this caller to extension 700.
Seven, 0, 1.
Note that the system told us that this call was now parked in extension 701. If I want to retrieve the call, I can go to any phone, select new call, dial extension 701, and I'm reconnected with that caller. This concludes our look at some of the more advanced features of the Polycom 650 phone.